doing the Awesomusa, tomato Awesomusas. Okay, Aarti is with me. She'll be joining us in doing this. So the first thing, the pan is nice and warm. I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil. You could use any cooking oil. So I'm not going to tell her anything. You go to, just add onions, add water, how much ever you feel like. Cook like you cook with love. That's it. If you do it with a lot of love, it's going to turn out good. Yeah? Okay, I'll be generous in this. Okay. So maybe equal parts of garlic and onions together in a pan. Yes, ma'am. Okay, at this point, we're going to add the blanched tomatoes, which are roughly chopped. Everybody? Should I? Once this is done, I'm going to add the seasonings. So everybody okay with sugar? Sugar because we don't have the San Marzanos and the best tomatoes. So we have to add a little sugar to balance, salt and then a little black pepper. Okay. I'm going to put the gas off, it's reduced. I'm going to add the concentrated tomato puree. Tomato puree, I like the mix. I'm going to add maybe 2 tablespoons of the tomato puree. And we're going to break in some basil in it. Alright. Okay, I'm going to add mozzarella to the tomato mix which is already here. So, about 30 grams of the stuffing. I'll show it here so that you all can see. We don't have a bigger screen. But if I fold one like this, I put the stuffing here. The second one goes like this, the third one goes like this, the fourth one goes like this, and then we cut off the extra. So you're just making a triangle, right? You're just making a triangle parcel.